Your name is Nuer. Your name is Chuluk. Your name is Anyak. Your name is Murle. Your name is Zande. Sumatag de Nyangwara. Sumatag de Bari. Sumatag de Palada pi Bargazal. Sumatag de Luo. Sumatag de Madi. Sumatag de Kwakwa. Sumatag de Kujula. Sumatag de Koma. Sumatag de Maban. Sumatag de Je. Sumatag de Mandari. Akbar de Zip. Akbar Batal. Lekum. Akbar Batal. Bad news to non-Denka people. But if you are a Denka and you are a Monjang and you are a Jing, you will celebrate. That's Akbar. As for we, Chollo, Anana Chuluk, we, the community of Chollo, in the Michela ta Pin Chollo. Chuluk Mashi Fakana, Chuluk Bogul Pin Chollo. Chuluk Mashi Amam Pibar, Chuluk Bogul Pin Chollo. While Chuluk is doing something, working for white men, Chuluk Bogul Pin Chollo. That's Pin Chollo, Denga Shallow. Lakin a little ma Pin Chollo, bro. Denga Zari Shal hair is first with a Chuluk. P. Akbar Jabi Junub Sudan and a Chuda Salbakan Kal Junub. South Sudan is fully in control of airspace. Huh? South Sudan is fully in control of airspace. That's the matter bro denga shallow. Lakin folk zaru bigger but denga saklas. Oh yeah, folk zaru bigger but denga. Denga is in full control of airspace. Yakwana ududat badana ma denga ma kadutet. Denga Salvakir Mamul do Tashuluk Madenga. Ila Salvakir as shall not folk. Salvakir shall not folk. That's South Sudan. Denga government is in full control of airspace, but as South Sudan. No, Kalamna Mabadi. Ududa Lazumi Wagabu, Ududa Bogabu Poganak. Mafia the Bogula airspace which you Sudan. Airspace Ramuno. Not got the shackle betet. Nas gari shakal ba kalam arabi. Ila de airspace ta munu de jilu. Kalam hukum da Junub Sudan beji bara and you talking wallahi we are in full sovereignty of our country. Kai lora bang. Kada the gari shum nas gari shakal ted ba kalam wata. Ma malu do that. Ila denga bam si fok. The denga ba Junub. The denga but I juned Salvakir, what are you celebrating? With you know Sudan, I give you into Arad, but I give you into folk without. I give you into hair is first without. Mafia, the Banado hair is first that you know Sudan. The Mafia, the Banado, Arad, but I you know Sudan, fear Arad Tagabila. Oh yeah, fear Arad Tagabila. Kalam Bogolo there that we are in full control of air space with us. Kailora Bamanaronak. But I don't know, fuck that there. Bagsumukaman. Bamalu do that. Would do the Shuluk Madang of Afadam. I would do the Shuluk Madang Afadam will give you fog enough. Will give you Teddy or will give you fog enough. Salvakir, the Basip, like Salvakir is Dola Gibbs the other. The Basip Mushakal that Teddy but a pinchola. You later my folk. Salvakir my folk. The Basim Calamata Pinchola Ted in the day, it is Shal Chulu Shal de Baba to Tayara to Chunu Pinchola. The Basim Calam Pinchola Maelo, you little bum yes, I know Bishakal Madanga Calam Fog now. I know Bishakal Madanga for Dam Calam Fog now. Lano would do that Mawa Gabuni, Mano would do that Mawa Gabu Fog now, come on. Chu go around with a danga. Chup, go in with a danga. Huh? Tumbasip Ted, you know, Ted, not got the shackle. Tabajub not Juba Bagul, Yange, Jab Bagger, but off your ass without a yellow to Mujib, Tumbasip Mushakal and Yange Ted into Muji folk. That's no, we South Sudan government, Mafi South Sudan government Ted. Yellow South Sudan government will take full control, but our folk. The South Sudan government, they win. With free sharing power. في سلام عملوا تاد سلام ده عملوا فوق سلام ده عملوا فوق سلام عملوا تاد ماشي لا فوق ما في هذا بنعرف بتاع حكومة في جنوب السودان nothing belong to the government. There's too many government في جنوب السودان too many government يلا government متاعهم البيجي برا ده we are in full control of airspace with us the government ده وين ده ما government ده نور ده ما government ده شلوك ناس بدو ده شغلة جديد ده declaration ده war oh yeah they declare this is a declare true definition of declaration ده war أنا والله أيزول بقوم بسلاح بتاعه ناس ماشيين فوق هناك تندنga مالو ناس جايبين كده ثم بصير مشاكل ده ما يلو تبمشي فوق هناك ها حكومة بيجي بار حكومة ما في حكومة في جنوب السودان ما في حكومة في جنوب السودان ما في حكومة القاعد في جوبا ده حكومة ده دنگا فيرين حكومة القاعد في جوبا ده حكومة ده دنگا مع لايف بتاعه مع نرويج بتاعه شلوك بتاعه لكن ما في حكومة في جنوب السودان البيجي بار عليه اللي بقول we are in full control of airspace but airspace ده منو you are in full control of airspace ده دنگا ما بدا شلوك ناس بدوك بعده فوق هناك ده والله ناس طيارة ده ببيو أي زول ببيو طيارة شكله بيشيلوا من تحت ناس ماشيين فوق يا زول الكلام ده ما في دنگا ده فرد مشاكل تاني وتم بيل مشاكل التحت ده أول كلام بينجلا ده بيلو أول قبل ناس ما يمشي فوق كلام بينجلا ده بيلو أول مشاكل بتاع دنگا بورو رال في جوبا ده كله البكيل جوبا ما ينوم نيانجي ما بنادو جنگي تاني ده بنادو نيانجي ay mal tu meji view tol ga nyange ge ji bagar bataw nyange ge ji bagar bataw fa raz ta Equatoria yela utum denga utum si mushakal bata ta tu machine for gulf air space control by South Sudan government what government got for Juba the unity government sharing power they are to government to control air space as all ay tayara baje bas دخل في أراضي يشيلوا بضربوا تاني أي طيارة بيجي دخل في أراضي تنوير كنترول مع وايامي لو تيكور لا أيو تيكور غان دوركي تيكور وايامي تيكور تيرشون تيكور لو لوك جان تيكور دتوركون تيكور أي طيارة بيجي نا بضربوا تاني لان جانا هذا ngong كايني بان قدون airspace ده بيجي ما في cooperation تادني ناس قاعد شاكل تادني ناس قاعد دوك بعض تادني مالكم يا دانغا ما أوتم فكر شوية كده فكر رازول كبير لو ناس قاعد شاكل تادني يلو تمبالغا هير سبيد من وين where do you get this idea that South Sudan is not in full control on hers South Sudan is divided into many groups they call it sharing power they're calling unity government. Huh? Ila asa utu mushakal salam ma malu implement. You did not implement 2018 peace agreement. You did not implement 2015 peace agreement. Mafi peace agreement na fazu. Ten peace with salam de biga mafi. Ila denga bogum mintedi de gal fier. Gal lan machine folk. Ah, denga ma utu mind kufadia sa. Na fadia yo mafi. Anona mushakal folk na. ay dol sagal lo shabu foga na re de jabu mal da chuluk agwalak badaro bita tet ay agwalak badaro bita tet de pinchola kaman al foga na re de air space bita inshallah pinchola machi ma air space bita inshallah pin bita noa machi ba air space ta noer ay dol ndo air space bita ay dol pin bita dol ndo air space bita tumma balakam na dutum danga de anana ba shakal lutum fi ay malay mulabas ay malab to me chup nas sakrani ze ko mujunu ha umman ga lab nungara they dancing they putting on a show we fully this albakiri ogalo our sovereignty is fully under our control now lana we took our airspace dengal sakaran be mirisa be jubade will control airspace tayara del mambu duk badu kul mayam fogana tayara del control by who? Tomorrow shokol bata control air control aje besit to control hair. Achan tayara iji min dola tani o tayara iji good. Woman mai shakal fog na woman mai sitam fog na de denga al sagaran fi juba de denga de ma busuga arba sa fi juba sagaranin bas sagaranin fi juba ta de ne ila denga de yo bukudu fi matar to control the airspace of South Sudan. Aje they will never take 10 days o tayarat ma dak baru fi junub la denga sagaran kulum denga bakun sagaran kulu bar chu ade ba mulu be degree be jibu mu jog fu bar gazal na de min warab be jibu min warab mu jog ol be jibu min awel e kudu bas fi matar na to control air bakalam guruj bas woman we chu bugal de arbat ta de ne woman we chu bugal de tariqa ta arbat. You think that the way you control car fi juba car al mashi Uganda car al bedi min Uganda and you taxation you taxing them te gari nyakam guruj no kalam ta tayara de kalam tani de kalam there nas smart people to control the air the ma de denga kulukul denga ma bukudu mal de lo katu denga ba mal de dan robuna kaltan denga to control airspace but I junub Sudan denga al buchu banana jabi matari ne buchu ba ngwem da bit nyaj kabir de big nyaj angwem kabir de ele basif kalam tayara buchu de nyan kana yegdi basif kalam ele tayara sadam po tur lana you guarding them hen batak de yo airspace de ma ai batak de yo airspace te buchu bit jane be jabat kabir de ite buchu fog na be te kalam makawaja alam kulu the entire world China America yun dol baru English tamam de ma kalam barabi ba kalam be English na de ma English be ta warab de ma English salvakir gar kalam be fuju bada innu kalam innu de tayarar be sadam fog lana kawaja will be very confused innu de shunu buchu fi dictionary ma fi innu tayara wasal innu tayara now is in Uganda innu will land in 25 minutes no tayara bishakal fوق tawali lana innu ma fi English او كان سلفاكير ما دنگ control airspace the English banade innu ila ba choy lo biga da lana na bugul where you coming from where you coming from kalam de ba kalam bu mata ara junub Sudan air control where you coming from hinno where you coming from where you coming from where you coming from ila tayara ko somu sadam fo da 200 people mad 400 people mad 300 people mad denga sakaran ted was gari shuba ngam utum denga de mal da ma mal matakum tum denga de ba da fere mi shagal da robuna sakat arabiya sayar jan denga shubi fi juba ne de denga buji bara bi juar biya ba shila saya ga de buduk zol shagal fi police ya kalam du tum de shil fi fok denga mal to ma ba ko ba la de denga you should be ashamed of yourself you should be ashamed of yourself degree bata ko tum biga taban kalam degree kalam pinchallo pinwa nan ma je fok we are in full control of South Sudan airspace who told you that ya sakaranin dumunu galakum kalam de denka be shilu mu let me see denka be shilu mu ta rajuba denka idu mushakal katir de mushakal da nuzwan shab jabata mara ga de bas jabata bit ma faade de mara razol ma faade bagli brado inak ila tayara sadam fok baji sakaran ga man idu gada ta wiski bije bataw jabu ba degree zaru ma mishi college yom wide salba kir jabu ba degree bas ya baji to control air affairs da Sudan wada sagare tumaka you cannot control traffic fi juba de arbat gari sadam kul mayam but talga nas bugaw tur ma fi ambulance showing up at the incident scene ma fi mal accident asal fo wada de ita ma bu shub ambulance no ambulance ariga bagum de fi juba fi konya marga ariga gabir de ambulance de zol yo baji go I don't care bedarak nazarak ya tutya de yo ambulance bradanga lakin ambulance al bakor wi mafi Pijuba, capital city. Capital city. But I denga. Mafi ambulance. Huh? Nas barak zede Pijuba o mafi hukuma baje. Yela asa utum dere shili jirayam nefi matar alam kulu. Where you can control the entire world. Then when you control airspace that are dollar, when you control airspace of the country, you control all the entire world. Then tayarat baje kulu, tayarat jay min Japan, tayarat jay min Russia, tayarat jay min British, tayarat jay min America, tayarat jay min South Africa, tayarat jay min Kenya, min Uganda, min Somalia, min Djibouti, min Congo, min Rwanda, min when? You controlling them. That's why they call it air control. Air control. I gal that sagar the rebels tayara del basadam kulum fok. Denga no sale wenu sikata malakal tema baru lakin sikata robuna sikabada technology sikabada wise people. You to buku view to denga. I can denga maga de call balla was. I can denga maga de call balla. Ejira matagu to masive for doing into machine fok. Ajad kulu ba malu degree. Pane kiri. But joy jebelana. Yeah. I don't see that. But let me say this, my brother. Mushakal da te de be lawal. Kalam pinjala de. Anana ma de shakal denga fa da kalam fog na tan. Deri lo hukuma de amala de ko. Mushakal da te de be da pinjala. Na ma wasal fog. Land the new war, the declaration that war sign denga jabu something new. Okay, control air control can fiat Arab can quest ma fizol gari shakal kalam fok. Nas kan gari shakal kalam ted in it. And everybody was good. Then shakal ga ted. Lakin the kitib denga that's we South Sudan government in full control of airspace. And you know there is no government with South Sudan. There is a tribe government. There is a unity government. There is a sharing power. Which area will you control? Hey, Ramuno. Those of people that are not under control of Salva Kiir government, they will control the air. And if they reject, that's Mavi Tayara Beji Mal Batana, none of Badoro Butet, Mavi Tayara Bamjinak. Mavi Tayara Bamjinak. Tum denga de utum ladum de you should be ashamed of yourself. Ladum de kajal shoya gade dare. Tumma majikala de besebu ba bajutani, majikala de besebu ba bajutani. How many times we have to reject you that they ma fi hukuma. Stop wasting people time government. Ma fi government. Government al gad fi juba de banadu unity government. Usalam ma malo implement. Ajad zede ma gada malu wakit zede. Ajad de bas Salva Kiir jawlan Salva Kiir thing is smart. Ubi chubu galu zol negate. He try as a mushakal big gatir. Riyak Mishar befego. USA is calling on Riyak Mishar to be released. Triga is calling on Riyak Mishar to be released. IGAD is calling on Riyak Mishar to be released. African Union is calling on Riyak Mishar to be released. South Africa, they're calling for Riyak Mishar to be released. In Chakala Jarabu fi Akoba da bigger in time in Danga. Kalama Koba Mafitan. Chadung Jana Mojapet. Mafi Kalama Koba Tani. No more Akoba. Kalam Yamda then as Garanga Tanbaji Bara de. Oh, we capture a Koba, Wanana Machi Akoba. Kalam ne Mapi Kalama Koba Tani. Kalam Kedibula Yamda de la Koba de Bellata. Mafi Kalam de Tani. Kalam Danga Kedibula Yak. Anyak Machi Lamu the Kalaba or then Sakran in Danyak. Jog America Kong, Lamu and Bus Sagaran in Danyak, Lamu, Kumkumu, P social media, Galeo a cover belong to Anyak, who will capture a cover, and a cover will be given to Anyak. Kalam de Bigamaviazare, Sukurijin Danyak, the Rajavi, Latanyak, Raja Fekera, Garden for Yum, Garden for Young Bai, Garden for Tala, Garden for Aboba, Garden for Batata, Garden for Chamlum, Garden for Goranyak, Garden, Sakaran and Danyak, the Raja Maldak. Well, at the time, I can't get a corium down with Calaba, the Banado, Tanaka, as you read finally. Shh, they will go to Madame. Yamda Gamalina. Well, within 2 days, who couldn't read you Kulu. Karnwere ji kulu anona buk tulumun kulu wanyak bam che akoba kalam le biga ma fitane ujugi la zal kan garam le dai be social media ujugi la biga ko de mara ujugi la biga ko de mara ma denga fa dangam dal kan de lo support de denga fa da ngong lo le yak asa ngong lo le yak mo ujugi la na biga ta banin kulu nwer lib libuman batal ga ba to to talga ujugi la gari je ba dama perle da taw dama perle da nag noir dama perle da taw ngat jai de lwe de toro ko ni achana jiri wo ba achana jiri doy da lin noir be lin maraju wa lin ni manya lin noir chot be lin maraj lin noir be lin ma be wa achana jiri ga da nya kare lin noir be lin ma taw joga dong taw man taw buri taw bugin ma dong be lin ma per goji chut ma goji saba misa lel da talga bas ma fi akil tabam ji be kada na waz gidi tabam ji nyakam talga min dol dak sila min dol dak nuer gari ji bi shakala be yeden taw bagnas not machine shakala be yeden taw abiat kada ba do be jib sila ba den. That's why you've been warned by the Toroko in a wise lure that don't do that. Kalam ling batak ba social media de kada nyuak god bisalam ma nuer fi gambela. Let them live in peace. Kada yale rabao. Kalam ping da challa ma nyuak de ping de inta mina kalam ping bada lak bada de. Ayya ja bat mikla ta nyuak ma challa da wat bat muchakal ta gilo ma nyakang de. Al perfect lure de ayya ja bat ping anywa ping chala ping anywa ping ajat kulo malu betel ping chala ping anywa ba lure de kulo man garin ma fi kalam ping lure de living peacefully again two lure community de bata mushakal de yo chuluk ma anywa kalam ping ba ping de ping bada chunu mushakal bata ma bin tawa ping bada nyuak ma chuluk de ping da chunu mushakal bata ma bin ta asa denga si ba no na te ne ma fi hudud kalam ping tan nan me chifok denga me chifok o denga indo tayarat ila asa nyuak ma chuluk de no ba chifok ke ba kalam ping de la asa na ma chin fok ba kalam ping de ujugi lo ina da mutot anya tum chini anya tum ke tot ja galu le yam da finas fi anya kubar ja bara yam da gale ujugi la jami ben mo chane ka be tot kulo de kedep kulo boxul zone le nani te gat fi America Liberia America ite ja America ke how did you came to America? You came to America as a refugee of where? Refugee of Sudan. So how can you fight people in Gambela, Gambela, and you came to America as a refugee? You should be thankful to South Sudanese. You should be thankful to South Sudanese. Those who give you more ping the can gabi ping with a young Italian, Jan. Chamoko leather. Ping without it. Ichamoko mara, Ichamoko leather. Ping the without it. The guy be ping with a young Taban Mafia. As South Sudanese brought you to America, where you can face Chinese food. Chinese food, buffet, Chinese food. The bum now they the Chiboko Ted now them. Figures could be good. Mala Chinese food, to your dog chicken, chunu barbecue. And I go there, MC now, but set them up a good mafia now, but set them brought two figures now. I want to talk. Ela kawaja bogola asoma go sit man and help yourself. Ela ite bomje de shile na ujugi ela bomje shile na de the shile ka birga de you go to sand na ya kul tamam for $20 was $20. My friend, $20 Chinese food. Kudu ka birga de kudu ted ba kul tamam ga de inta bomje jibtani ujugi la jibtani ela ujugi la ije tunu dwang botam duga kabir ela. But the Liji Bara you go, thank you, South Sudanese. Thank you, refugee. And I'm in Gambela, my few refugee, I came here by you for your kindness. Thank you. Ila buje go la jal bata kiara nwar bungo Gambela de bata Ibarai Gambela de bata Ibarai Gambela ita gabi mane afalas be form with South Sudanese and you talking Gambela nonsense ifada mutut tabadol kada the gabi mane afalas ne be form batana de jono bekele dan tom mai shilta bara ma Somali sawa al bekele ujugi la mai shilu fi abaj ma Somali sawa de lana kulu de scam. If you talking garbage, Minneapolis, against South Sudanese refugee in Gambela, and you are here as a refugee, then what will stop Donald Trump from deporting your ass? What will stop President Donald Trump from deporting your ass? They are the Karamul Somali and Lely from Minneapolis. My idea can happen to you, Gilaban. Then we shackle the days of what happened to Somali community when they try to scam the system with America. They try to shoot the system. Man bashil gurush. ومن يشيلوا للشباب بيقول انا ما دايرين امريكا في بلد بتاعنا انا ما دايرين امريكا في بلد بتاعنا ده انا ترامب قال له يا اخوي I'm not a sleepy Joe. I'm not a Barack Hussein Obama. I'm not a sleeping Joe. I'm not a Barack Hussein Obama. انا Joe sleepy Joe fat Barack Hussein Obama fat. Donald Trump from New York, Brooklyn, New York. We fuck people up. We don't give a fuck for New York on it. Kalu Somali na bye. Mizumer ready yamal kalamfar gali ya Mizumer you married to your brother. Scam. You will be the 42. Mizumer, I shut the hell up. You married to your brother to get the green card. Kalamra Donald Trump, you married to your own brother to get green card. The system between of America that is a fucking scam. You gotta go. As I Mizumer man gotta kalam tani. Ila ujugi ila who the fuck are you? The job is the same scam system. You scam the system, but America, and you talking nonsense in Minnesota about refugee. You forgotten that you came to Minnesota because of us, South Sudanese. And he said he will come outside and to say, thank you. We came outside and we appreciate the land of Anuak. We came outside and we appreciate the land of Anuak for welcoming refugee. We always do that. Appreciating Anuak for welcoming refugee in Fenido, in Dimo, in Mala del Kulu. But when will you come outside? Don't be selfish. Come outside to Anuak but Abajde. Let by Joe Gila and appreciate South Sudanese too. Come outside and appreciate. Be a man. Be a fucking man and come outside and appreciate South Sudanese. Nana, local na be South Sudanese. Can he put chamoko leather? Can he put chamoko leather in Africa Gambela? All leather bus. But do not get Omara. Tabagum Sabade, Malukulu, Agdar, about leather. Olela de Tabagara Kulu leather. It might be necktie. It might be Mulabis Quest. You have a car. In the RB. In the Gajat Kulu because of refugee. And you turn around, you want to talk garbage about refugee. You turn around, you want to scream with social media always about refugee. And what will stop Donald Trump from deporting your ass? What will stop Donald Trump from deporting your ass? It is something we will do. They never let Donald Trump that this motherfucker thing is from Abaj. Ojawa, Bajao, he's not a refugee. And how did he get here? Abaj mind a refugee. Back then, he came in 2000 something. Or he came in 1990 something from Penido. He came as a refugee, and he's making noise now for Minnesota, barking like a dog in Minnesota about another community. Another community who do mind their own business. That's calling people out, that's terrorists, refugee, Wajadekulu. Donald Trump fuck him up. Fuck him up, default his ass. The next thing we know, Ujugila got a sugu, Makwano Kulu got a sugu, Mutara, Maniafalas. Ajad Kulu Fadal Arabia Fadal Chunu Fadal immigration. It's scam. You scam the system. Might as well tabak. You scam the system. You know what me right. Now need to mabu to Yalta, Nyako Yalta, nurse Karinde. Because of $50 you son every day. Do you think $50 but will protect a Nyak land? $50 but you killing them. You killing Yala Nyak for no reason. And Nyak into king, and Nyak into nuts, Fukuma. Bando, you gila, what do you have? Nothing. Who know you? Nobody. Bungda mangayiga. ana ngado upena ana upena ma indu rujal upena indu nas kubar nas mutaalimin those who can talk those who can protect a young land not you to upena ngado upena damer upena fi maniafalas no it is all ta maniafalas sanfall maniafalas sanfall maniafalas Minnesota maniafalas Rogers maniafalas it is all ta maldak it is all ta upena da indu nas jo beru pena ka ganudo jo dang mo pena ganudo kware mo pena ganudo jo ga gor do jo pena ganudo shabab zaro ta pena fil mungkin shagal shagala dawde lakin da ma zol gad my chicken wing hamburger cheeseburger chunu vi mane afala daji tunu dongare chane kamar noir refugee trying but like thank you guys